Hello everyone, this is your instructor. I wanted to give you some information on how to complete activity 9-2, which is an access activity. It's actually a continuation from activity 9-1. This one is extra credit, however. This is using the consecutive numbering method. It says here the consecutive numbering method is a method in which consecutively numbered records are arranged in ascending number order from the lowest number to the highest number. What you're going to be doing is you're going to open up the database that you previously worked on, and you're going to be creating a query, and you're going to be sorting records in the query, and then you're going to be typing the sort order, the record number right over here in this column over here. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the access database that you're going to be working with. So to create a query, you're going to have to click Create, and then you're going to click Query Design, and then you get the Query Design grid. This, of course, is the Show Table box, and the table that we want to use is the only one listed here, the Names and Subject table. So you'll click Add, and then you'll close the Show Table box. So here's a list of all of the fields in that Name and Subject table. And what you're going to be doing is double clicking on these items here, on all of these fields, and they'll occupy the columns here as you double click them. So let's see what order they want once again. Okay, it says create a query named consecutive sort that displays these fields. We want record number, name or subject, code 1, code 2, and code 3. Okay, so that's the first thing that we'll do. All right, so we'll double click record number, see how it occupies the first column, name or subject, and then code 1, code 2, and then code 3. Okay, so we've got everything set, ready to go. Let's look back at the instructions again. Wait a second. And it says here, design the query to sort the record number codes for consecutive numbering in ascending order. In order to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to be performing your sort on the code 1 field, okay, because that's where the numbering actually starts. So you're going to click on the sort field right here, or actually sort row, I should say. Click on the drop down arrow, and we want to sort in ascending order. So basically all you're doing is you're sorting on this particular field in ascending order. Once everything is set up, you can go ahead and click Run to run the query. And this is the sort order based on the code 1 field. You can see it's in ascending order. 133 is lower than 277, which is lower than 371, etc. And of course, here is the numerical order of how the records end up. So this order of how the records end up is what you're going to be typing here. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this here, and then I'm going to minimize the access query. So then that way we can see everything. You can see both windows. So you can just go ahead and type in the record number right over here on this answer sheet. So the first one is 10. Second one, of course, would be 4. Third one would be 6. I'm not going to complete all of them because you'll be doing that. But I can go ahead and hit check my work over here, and you can see that the first 3 that were completed are correct. So we know that we're doing it correctly. So that's what you'll do for this assignment here.